Are you ready to take flight into a rewarding career? Welcome to Nehru College of Aeronautics and Applied Sciences. We are here to help you soar towards a successful future. Our experienced instructors will guide us through an immersive curriculum that combines theory with practical, hands-on training. Our state-of-the-art facilities provide us with real-world training opportunities, ensuring you are prepared for any challenge that comes your way. Our graduates have gone on to work with major airlines, aircraft manufacturers, and maintenance organizations around the world. You could be next. Our beautiful campus provides the perfect backdrop for our aviation journey. With access to top-notch resources and industry connections, we will receive a world-class education that sets us up for success. Ready to take the first step towards an exciting career in aviation? Do not miss this opportunity to let your career take flight. Enroll today.